Hi everybody, sorry for the delay. It's 10:47 now and 31 seconds on December 6th. For whatever reason, occasionally either screencast or random just freezes up on me and I have to shut down. I'm guessing it's random because screencast, obviously, as you can see, I could post a video of the thing freezing up on me. So this is take number 2 for the mini number 2. Okay. Again, here are the 14 filled spots. I'm going to roll 3 dice. Number is 8. Whoever comes in first place gets the first 5. Whoever comes in second place gets the next 2. Spot 11 has been opened back up due to non-payment and no response by the person claiming the spot at this point. So best of luck. Here we go. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and here's the final one. 8. John Tung and Frank Digi are the two winners. Time is 10:48 and 30.